your boy be leaning too hard, so I had to upgrade. We are upgrading the original HOGWORKZ crash bars that I have on my motorcycle to these. Alright, so the current issue I have with these crash bars is that when I lean too hard to the right or too hard to the left, I end up catching these on the ground, and that can get pretty scary, especially on harder turns or harder leans, and you know your boy be getting it. So yeah, we need to put the new ones on that sit a lot higher and give me better clearance. So let's do it. The first thing we're going to do on the right side is remove these 4 bolts, 2 for the peg and these 2 over here. Alright, so here's the difference between the height of the old one and the height of the new one. You can tell that it is going to definitely sit a lot higher than the one we previously had. So let's go ahead and install it. And for the final touches, Alright, and there you have it. That's how you install the level up engine guards from HOGWORKZ on the Lowrider S. I think these look a whole lot better, and they'll give me that clearance I need to, get a little loose with it. So let me know what you think in the comments below.